All right, here we have question 5, C and D. C is looking at the cylinder. Here we're asking to find the surface area. The cylinder's formula is basically, if you break this up, you have a circle here and a circle here. This is pi r squared and pi r squared. Okay? Then you have a length and a width. Here, this is height, and this part is 2 pi rh. So, if you want to think about the surface area, it is going to be 2 pi r, okay, squared, and then you're going to add the 2 pi rh part. Okay, so r equals to 4, h is equal to 3. Let's just plug it in. 2 pi 4 squared plus 2 pi what? 3 4 no 4 3 4 3. So this is 16 times 32. That's 32 pi plus 4 times 3 times 2. This is 24 pi, which is equal to 56 pi. There you go. That is the surface area of that cylinder. All right, now let's look at the cone. The cone can be broken up into the circle part, which is going to be pi r squared. And then it's broken up into this piece, which is just the sector, which is here. We can use L as slant height. That is going to be defined as pi RL. So R equals to 1, slant height L is equal to 3. So surface area is equal to pi r squared plus pi RL. Pi 1 squared plus pi 1 times 3. So this is 1 pi plus 3 pi, so this becomes 4 pi. That is the surface area of the cone.